How long does PlayStation maintenance take? I repeat again, the question is, how long does PlayStation maintenance take? And here is the answer for the question. The answer is, usually maintenance will take place for about 2 hours based on your local time zone. It's about 2 hours at night, okay? And it's really based on your time zone. Okay, so the answer for the question, anyway, the answer for the question is about 2 hours. So that's the answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click the subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friend, just go ahead, click the share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment, say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye.